Chopper on me, fucking Smith & Wesson. Keep my weapon, heavy weapon. Chopper on me, fucking Smith & Wesson. Keep my weapon, heavy weapon.
What's up everybody, YouStanceBro here. So today's the day. We're finally putting the motor in the Elantra and we're finally gonna get it running. And I'm crossing my fingers that it starts, and I hope you guys are too. I want you to see it for the first start, and I want you to see what I had to do to get the motor in. I know if I could do it, any of you guys can. I use the bare minimum tools, so I know you guys could do it. Just don't give up, just keep trying. Don't get mad, just pace yourself and just chill and just work on your car and be happy. But anyway, for you guys, just support you guys a little bit more and show you guys you're awesome, and I love you guys. I'm gonna read comments from old videos and from previous ones, and if I see a comment and I like it, I'm gonna read it. So for today, from Renegade Bob, we have congrats on getting those damn engines pulled. Almost 1,000 subs, bro. Can't wait to see the hood stack Hyundai back in action. I love hood stack Hyundai. That's a sick name. I'm gonna probably make a sticker out of it and throw it on the car. All thanks to you, bro. But anyways, let's get back into this. Sorry for my mouth, I'm blabbering away. I'm sure you guys want to see how it is and what I had to do. So let's jump right into it. Thanks so much for your guys' support. I know it's a long video. Don't forget to leave a like. Don't forget to comment for a future video to be featured. That transmission was so hard to put on. And I just put the alternator, power steering, AC, starter from the old one. Here's the old beast, looking like shit. Alright guys, I'm just hoping everything goes good. I hope it starts up right away. Alright, I guess I'm going to throw it in right now. If I could do it, you guys can do it. I've never done this before, so hopefully everything goes good. Sorry for the long intro. Let's throw it in, boys. Get going. Yeah, boys. Damn, I can't believe I got it in. Holy shit. So happy. If it don't work, I'm just gonna light the car on fire. Just kidding. Alright guys, I'm gonna bolt it in, bolt the mounts in, And hopefully you can get the wiring harness back on right and remember which fucking plugs go on which. Let's get it done, boys. All right, we got it all together. Everything's put back together almost. It's time to start it up. I want you guys to be there for the first start. I don't even want to start, I'm so scared. Just guys, keep your fingers crossed. I wanted to show you what I already got. Got the radiator on. Got everything together. I was gonna get new headers made, but I didn't have enough money and I just wanted to drive the Hyundai right away. Everything's put in. Battery's dead. Nothing will turn on, so I got the other truck right there, so let's jump it. Just pray, boys. Just pray with me that it starts. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I could cry. I'm gonna fucking cry. Holy shit, I gotta sit down. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's fucking, look at this shit. It's running. Oh. Oh, look at that. Look at those chills. Oh my god. Boys, you don't know how hard I busted my ass on this car. Oh my god. I'm so happy. So happy. Alright guys. I'm gonna let it run for a little bit. I just gotta put on the hub right there. And then I just gotta put the lights on. And then we'll be on the road, boys. I'm so happy.
I've been balling out, boy, it ain't nothing major. I can never switch, I can never be a hater. Tryna hit a lick, you get hit with the lasers. I'm smoking hella pat while I count up this paper. Ballin', this ain't no free throw. Got your bitch on my dick, she a freak hoe. Pull with 6, I remix while she deep though. Drop the top off the whip, but bitch, this ain't a Jeep though. Fast whiz, bad bitch, you know when how we go. I'm a me go, I ain't talking about the trio. In the pack, hella musty, smell like some B.O. You buying more than one, then I might cut a deal. For real, for real. Pack, hella musty, smell like some B.O. Buy more than one. It ain't nothing major. I can never switch, I can never be a hater. Tryna hit a lick, you get hit with the lasers. I'm smoking hella pack while I count up this paper. I've been balling out, boy, it ain't nothing major. I can never You ain't know I was a player. Running around the city, think I should run for mayor. Let a bitch choose up. You the type of nigga say what? Damn. All you niggas.
Alright, boys. Hopefully you enjoyed that video. I'm gonna have more shots, me driving her. I'm so happy she's driving. Thanks, boys. Don't forget to leave a like and comment. See you guys in the next video.